Hello, my name is Adrián. I'm a sophomore at Whitney Young Magnet High School. My educational experience during COVID-19 has frankly been terrible. Remote learning is all of the bad parts of school and of in-person school and none of the good parts like the social aspects. I have had to become more organized just as a necessity, so that's one way I've adapted at least. But frankly, certain classes like math and science are still a struggle because of how those classes are structured and how they're not as able to be transferred to a online format. An issue that I'm passionate about was definitely politics. I want people to look at what's happening around them, look at the dystopia that we're living in. When we privatize industries such as healthcare, housing, food, education, so many people die and are disenfranchised or live in poverty when they don't have to. We have so many ultra wealthy people, and all these they get to thrive under capitalism. They will tell you it's good, but while they thrive, so many others barely survive. I do not think that adults and people in power have been listening to us, young people, because let's take Chicago Public Schools and the Illinois State Board of Education, for example. Last year, when we went remote learning in the middle of the semester, students and teachers were insisting that a universal pass be implemented because of the inherent inequities of remote learning. This did not happen. This year, the school board is insisting that remote learning be facilitated the same way that in-person schooling is, with 8-hour days. But we are petitioning that instead they be 4 hours, because 8 hours in front of a computer is mentally exhausting. So you can't make remote learning the same as in-person learning. It's just not the same. And I think if people in power would listen to young people, the people who are actually living it, then things would change. It's important to listen to us because young people make up a significant part of the population, and to ignore such a key demographic is how we fail people. In midst of all of this chaos, some things that give me hope is really seeing us organize. We've been seeing massive mobilization efforts, which are protests. Like thousands of people come out to protest in the streets, and that's amazing. But organization is really where the power lies, like unions and like political parties. Those are how establishments are threatened, and it's how we liberate ourselves. Thank you.